Nói là bài từ họ dấu sẽ vô bom thái coi chân đến nó bon zawin cái hình liền tin này tuni class anh zong kin hình tin tuni zong kit theo ông dũng amas penin pathin chu thằng ba kin hình tin class ipat masangovin tuni hin World Environment Day ahi te ke hanin class ipat masangin khatani kaga sai nomi tuni Environment Day to ke hanin UN in mading anasom chu tuni koi ham thum ta in hisi achun a theme hi tuni hin ep ham iti a hele time for nature nature rading in phat pe te ti hi a hi inga ngai tu a hi le tu hun lai ka hi lockdown lai ka chukit le pandemic lai ka coronavirus a mizu si ken the lai ka e ho jingzong normal class e kha thei lo ke ho jeng lai ya quarantine na pom lai a hi te ke thonin ken the om ma jingin je hin ingai tu du khat chu I chana mi he min I thil bol wa ko na hi nature hi affected ya ham ti hi akilan ma jingin na mi hem chu ti la pan chu khang ko win khang to na ina de no sa na I hol win no sa na I hol wal ta zu wa hin nature hin atu zu ta poi ti akilan nature hin atu zu lo kha na hin nature hin fight back and bolin na fight back and bolin human population ho hi su form a ko in hung from in tin na aja chum hung pung in tin scientist was an ep say yam ti le corona sanga danger zo ha asa zo hi na hung pung be thi na la hi ti hi a hi chukit le global warming na ko na hin arctic circle antarctic circle ho ko in ice ho hi jun mangam lang hi le thousands of years back a virus ho za chum ice la anna ki vu den ho chu ice ho chu na jun thein lang hi le hisin na ho chu hung hing tha ki thein tin na za chum hung pung ki the bi scientist ya ko ni mu to in a mi a hi le tu a corona virus ki ti ho bang hi I dang a hi pun chukit le cancer ho bang I dang hi pun mi him ten ki sim thu ma a hi ti hi a hi ese a hi nature in fight back and bolin mi him te population hi ti apun yeng chu ti hung from bu ai tai ti chu I hiện no de sa o min UN in zong time for nature part pe ta pe let us stand towards nature let us give importance to nature in a thumb I care ding ile khasim ding ho se ngai kho ta livelin nature ngai kho ta te thing phu phat pe ta te I hobby bang chu music ham football ki cham ham te yong le ni khat le thing ga phu ni te ai lo le ni si a gari I tol bang chu thau nei jong le chun sum nei ti nei te jong le chun environment time for environment pe within ke nga chi ki thim chu ta te ti hi a hi in is a chun e ho as educated members of the society I na dung zui jubin hichi environment de hi igel ko angai ni izi inam iti le igel ko lo wa hi le tuni babom thai koi in le kha ikhi lo hi meaningless entin a meaning pontin a direction pontin aum lo wa hi le iti le kha thim hen na iza zo samta IAS IPS mu zong le hen environment iker thei lo wa hi le we will be the one who will be affected at the end Eho much affected I use it. Let us give time to nature. Tihi introduction. Now cha iga bola hintin tu hin class lang na chita bitin session amasa chun simplification in a panbin question tu min bol ta tu hin about question adi chan nahi ana che the value of kiti na what must apply what we that in the same topic simplification about what must apply what he B stands for bracket of divide multiplication addition subtraction na bracket na pa masading abana of abana divide it in sequence sa chini na ai le it's like question de bracket omin ni omin thu min na bracket sunga om hi bol masat ding lai sunga om bol ding lai sunga om bol atum tumai bol ding na ai bracket sunga om hi si hi bol bol chun bracket bani yang off omin na si sungen off mang off low ai le divide kita divide mang divide ta omin na divide pan cha ding tai ai le session masa chun detail te involve na ai la detail te involve jing le hen agam the lama ki practice dam ki thep lo ding hi chun detail dan in nang man na record in ki su in tin not in ki su tin ke ma agam the lam in kan ko ki ding ta divide ko masa ding na ai le 3 divided by 5 kita na divide ki sai ta ki divide ki sai da aban hin plus to multiply on na hoi jo masa ding ha addition multiplication masa na that means lai masa into 5 plus 5 multiply na bo masa ni ne jo na cancel ta aku di le relation 5 plus 3 is that ulta 8 na bracket masa pen plus 8 ki ulta divide second bracket ani jan na pa hi bole chun bracket kita na off unta off to multiply with within multiply 3 multiply 6 is that 18 na 3 divide 18 si 18 ki ulta so 3 divide 18 that means 3 by 18 ki jo na is that 3 1 3 3 6 18 1 by 6 1 by 6 ki ulta na aba hin off omin bracket thum chan na pa ama span of equal ki ta na 4 of 4 that means 4 into 4 to 16 si 16 ta na of down to na of down to le aba hin multiply divide of banin divide is equal ta 4 divide 16 that means 4 by 16 4 1 is 4 4 4 is 16 1 by 4 which is 1 by 4 is ulta na adang divide ngam yes July divide na 4 divide 4 4 by 4 2 is that ngam 1 si 1 kita na ahi le which is khat vi sun thau tin confused say is it ichilang kita si ta plus na nai 1 into 4 ahi le ichilai sim hin divide kita ita divide ban hin multiply 4 into 1 to 4 si 4 ita na 4 into 1 by 4 to cancel it 1 to 4 na plus kita plus na 1 plus 4 to 5 that means 8 divided by 1 by 6 of 5 divide of umin na hoi jo masa down of masa ding ai of masa le 5 into 1 to 5 5 by 6 8 divide 5 divide 6 3 divide by 1 na divide by umin 8 divide to multiply na kya le ji ulta ji dikta pile ki bang ham 6 8 is 48 by 5 option na chun EPP se yo na option na chun G a o ma le answer na ti kita G o ma le option na G answer na ti kita ahin da 2018 question ahin na 2018 question ahin amo ahin o question option EPP pure 1 by 5 1 by 5 7 1 by 3 6 2 by 3 6 2 by 3 9 3 by 5 your option appeal na aku dile proper fraction ahin you are mixed fraction ahin aku dile divide no by 5 5 to 5 and 40 divide by 5 9 is 45. 9 3 by 5. 9 3 by 5 na. Japan ta. Yet thay lo na o ma hele comment box in reply in ball left. Avia hil chin kit the hi. Ahile question number 5 na chalo itin the value of kiti na question ya south himin hin la a rules ki bang bang ahin what mass rule ahin na a rule follow ahile a south hi ma cha am boy what mass rule version b stands for bracket bracket khanomin ni omin abanin hat bracket omin bracket thum omin na bracket ho hi chi ma south te na 3 1 by 5 should be seen on 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16 by 5 divide 4 halves to 4 2 are 8 plus 1 9 by 2 na or 5 1 by 3 2 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16 divided by 3 ahile Hichla in religion divide off from kin na koichin masating ho off masat na off amasat le chite ni multiply na bole 9 by 2 to 16 by 3 multiply na bole multiply bole jun 3 3 is 9 2 8 is 16 3 into 8 to 3 8 is 24 6 sai ta chite lu chu 24 sai na ahile 16 by 5 divide will get since into multiply 1 by 24 and 4 4 is 16 4 6 is 24 2 2 is 4 2 3 are 6 that means 2 by 15 2 by 15 ta na so value 2 by 15 is hota hai is lang value hila first bracket before masal na first bracket 5 by 8 plus 3 minus 1 1 by 4 mixed fraction again see proper here masal ki dota hai 1 into 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 4 LCM na written 8 8 1 is 8 1% na 1 into 5 to 5 plus Langa and 1 continues. That means 1 will divide 8. 1 and 8 divide the quotient is 8. 8 into 3 to 24 minus 4 and 8 and divide the quotient is 2. Nah, 2 into 5 to 10. And 5 plus 24 is 29. 29 minus 10 to 19. Nah, so then will be 19 by 8 ahile 11 on the life na third bracket part and 11 minus is that 11 minus 9 by 8 LCM reduction 8 we know 1 continues na 8 into 11 to 88 88 minus 19 so is 88 minus 19 9 7 minus 1 6 69 69 by 8 is a value he 69 by 8 aki ka r class mo na so live class he live class mo din na he divide 5 3 by 4 से दिख से ना 5 into 4 20 plus 3 to 23 divided by 4 minus 5 divided by 5 multiply 5 of 5 divided by 25 7 halves with them 2 into 7 to 14 plus 1 15 by 2 ahile but must apply in more ke dita so multiply mean plus mean divide minus divide multiply of divide hila hin bracket ki sai ta na bracket bana of so by of khat na 5 of 5 sida ham 5 of 5 to 25 sama na 5 into 5 25 ahile of ki sai ta of ki sai ta bana in divide chi ta na 25 divide 25 25 and 25 divide बोले 1 की सूरत है ना 1 की सूरत है ले 5 divide 5 5 divide 5 5 and 5 divide ले जाना हम 1 ना आगे का आगे multiply नहीं ना ले divide का हम कितना divide khatam le divide hi mix ase fraction na fraction is a divide dam le multiply divide can to multiply ya kya lesson 4 by g opposite na g the inverse g to the na 23 into 3 na 23 into 3 is 692 4 2 is 8 that means 3 by 2 is hota na its value hi 3 by 2 is hota hai then plus nang value chun bracket se se sai ta na minus 1 into 1 1 into 1 to 1 being na lahi 15 le 15 2 le 2 cancel le chun isilang gi 1 isu kita na that means 1 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 1 to minus 1 0 so ta na cancel out that means 3 by 2 option achun 3 by 2 ham hilo ham ti ne tas option achun epp ke pm 1 by 10 1 half 3 by 10 half option ingin tayo na betaw na exam ingin tayo appeal de ahile nang 3 by 2 nang flat 3 by 2 chu vele chun 3 by 2 lai dum box ta hai na ahile divide or le chun 3 by 2 2 in 3 divide le chun 1 is 2 1 that means 1 1 by 2 1 half ji nahi na depend by answer na chi chu hin a question ni sawin ke jong le but ma su ne apply la ha ke do na formula chung be het ngai point but ma su apply in book se agi chi chu agi abanin question cha ke nitin simplification mama simplification hi a question tam ta au min na 2018 question nang tam ta au min hin la abonin bol go le hen phat tam pi hin la ding hin hi je chun ke man topic kan hen do ho hi a cover concept ho but mas fu ki apply ja dan mixed fraction le proper fraction et apply ding ham to hin point system decimal system apply dan an kin na a hi le chi hi a cover dan ka ke la jing in he thelo na o ma le ing dum min la om lo wa a hi le na hon atang se se chu eto khalo se se chu non na practice ding men kan tim no min pin chi pa he bol le kan bracket ji masat ki ding ta na vele chun 3.2 divide 0.8 into 5 ki ahi le but ma su ju in bracket ahi in bracket pa equal ta na bracket pa equal ding ta aban off ki in it's line off on pon na line off ki hi grammatical off ahi po na mathematical off ahi po ahile of on divide according 3.2 divide 0.8 itu ip ki se ham ile 3.2 divided by 0.8 hina ahile hi decimal au ma hile ilungel boy thim chuna point system an ke phale he chu decimal na la do gut mai it na la do ni ham point hi digit khat nga jam sa le chun langai khat na jam sa ti ne achung lang digit khat na jam sa la noi lang digit khat na jam sa ding achung lang digit ni na jam sa le noi lang digit ni achung lang digit thum me hi noi lang digit thum that means achung lang digit izat na jam sa na digit jung ja san noi lang digit na jam sa ni he chu e non short ka na ase ye a process di ta chu ip ham hi le suppose achung lang en chin uta anoi lang hin chi om tai na point in la do go na ip na bo ding ham na a point hi aman na dinga into izat na bo ding into 1000 multiply na bo into 1000 multiply bo le chun ipiding am into 1000 multiply ka bo la mitile point jo wahin khat ni thu digit thum atizia 0 thum multiply ka bo multiply bo leng point hi lai chani ki chon ta lai point ni ta achung lang 1000 that means 0 thuma multiply ka bo anoi lang nong hi 0 thuma multiply ka bo akuti ahile 0 hi digit thum chi digit thum athit na dinga hin langai 0 khat ni ha min tin tui hap nai lo du na anjo pa le 0 khat ni ki hap min tin apa le 0 point ki chung ti that means 7004 langai point 0 ki ju meaning less ta na ai le aba anoi lang hin 3276 langin 0 min tin aba le 0 ai le vele chun digit thum jam bo lai yang digit thum jam bo ahi le 1000 multiply bo sa na chun shortcut ti biang tele point 2 digit thum na jam sa ale lang digit thum jam bo na jima bang chun point digit khat jam na bo sa le 32 divided by khat na jam sa le 8 32 divided by 8 ji biham 4 na this then you 4 is that means 4 into 5 4 5 is 20 na bracket now se 20 that's a value 4.5 minus 20 plus aba na ip se la divide into na plus 3 4 divide 6 that means 4 by 6 into 4 2 by 3 na into na aba na hin value chun ip apply ko ke ta value chun divide into lo aba na multiply na 3 that 3 cancel in 3 that 3 cancel in 10 4.5 minus 20 plus 2 4.5 to 2 no go play is that so thing 6.5 to na 6.5 minus 20 20 la 6.5 na lado ulit ale 6.5 to 7 tisu na dinga 0.5 ki ba na 6.5 to 0.5 ka be 7 tisu ta ai le 7 ating tai 7 to 10 atin na dinga din is a 3 ki ba na aku dile 3 hap ti dun 3.5 so ta na ai la 10 hin ta 10 to 20 atin na dinga 10 ba ti na 10 gom ki dun 13.5 that means 20 minus 6.5 minus bolachun 13.5 assign repeating assign hi minus sign in jo na ila minus 13.5 to minus system ka bol dam chu I madang ahe pon namang jo dukanin na to tai na mi khat chun sum an pe tai thila chun num tai ahile ma chun apot chu 30 man he tai 35 man he tai ti de 35 man thila so tai ahilla ama hin zakat api sum zakat api a price of 35 is not leading ham ijin na bowling ham chengan pi masal chun na le phat le chenga pi masal chun 35 su 35 plus 5 is 40 hinta chu na 40 hinta 40 chu 100 asu endinga 60 na kitu na that means 60 plus 5 is 65 65 chenga na petai chenga na pe jo chun 60 sombu na pe ki ti ne jo jesu system din na minus bol na ise nem evening ata ise yom mitile eta hin minus na bol jing the in again the exam phat le pen na calculate na phat ki muji lo na ise chun eta 6.5 minus 20 na bowling amile 6.5 to 6.5 to decimal na decimal to decimal below na so no la 6.5 next number si biham iti aile 7 ahin na 7 so niya 0.5 na na 20 minus 6.5 na 6.5 to 7 so niya 0.5 0.5 na ma hele 7 so ta ale 7 to 10 thin na dinga hi tum ha ki na 10 so ta ai le 10 to 20 thin na hi som ki ba na it to 13.5 ichi iti phat le hung poi mo si aham iti ai le a number hi complex hen lan le chebang simple number hi na complex hen lan ta bang number ho bang mi jing le pa men na le ti na je phat le calculate bol mai ro mentally calculate bol thi hi ti se question 1 chalo itin question number 7 what mas ho dung zu in bracket chi ma sak ki ding hin na je pen pa ha value ila ding ham bracket ichi taw in aban of hin na 6 of 6 that means 6 into 6 that means 36 6 divided by 36 is that ding ham 6 divided by 36 so 6 by 36 na that means 1 by 6 6 1 is 6 6 6 is 36 this becomes 1 by 6 ahile into 6 na minus is lang value hila 3 2 by 3 that means 3 into 3 9 9 plus 2 11 11 by 3 is lang value almost 11 by 3 divide 11 by 30 of this is ni here na sama na of it depend pa ni check it 11 multiply kine na of so akuti ale 2 divided by 30 kat lejun 15 na 15 into 3 2 15 2 is 30 15 3 is 45 11 by 45 divide 11 by 45 silang na 11 by 3 na ahile divide hi multiply keleton which is reciprocal factor that means 11 11 cancel 3 1 is 3 3 5 is 15 ki sota na akuti le 6 minus 6 divided 6 into 6 plus silang hila iti value bracket na pai value ida ta 1 by 6 into 6 minus silang minus si na 15 divide 5 na iji bot mas apply nan bot kita bracket out the pole off out the pole d divide na divide ka amin nang ka on kit ne 15 divided by 5 3 is 15 na its value be 3 time its lang hila 6 divided 6 its value be 1 na 1 into 6 divide 1 to multiply in na 1 into 6 to 6 ita na ene its lang multiply na bole si cancel na silang value 1 ta that means 6 minus 6 plus 1 minus 3 6 less 6 0 so ta na 1 minus 3 to a value minus 2 right ay le option na EPP ang POM dile minus 2 option number 2 at minus 2 it's option in ang POM minus 2 imuin option number 1 adi kaya na question number 8 sikit na higit buat mas apply about kaya mas when bracket katamin ni omin tum omin na bracket tum omin bracket di bracket tum om tum zo izin aban bansa bracket ho i bol masa ding ai ahile bracket mo sa pen pa a value hol ko pen of kitin na 5 1 by 4 2 5 4 is 20 plus 1 21 by 4 divide 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7 by 3 of 4 of kiti pen pa hi bol masalahan 7 by 3 of 4 that means multiply na bol ay 7 4 is 28 by 3 na ay divide to multiply ni so ay 3 by 28 na 7 3 is 21 7 4 is 28 3 into 3 to 9 by 4 4 16 9 by 16 na ay silang hi bracket ini sa napan value na ho dile 8 divide multiply na voltas na cancel the on point 2 into 4 8 3 5 is 15 8 multiply divide pen multiply na kiya le chihi inverse irta 15 by 8 ile cancel le 15 ki sota na atum chan na bracket pa hin sikit le like multiply omin divide omin na multiply na bor sat na hile boi ding hi isi chun di loading ani isi chun divide chi ma sat na hile 2 by 3 divide 4 by 5 kiti 2 hilai divide and multiply ni chama sat ni that means 4 by 5 will become 5 by 4 this 2 4 2 is 8 na ahile 2 2 is 4 4 5 is 20 20 by 3 so ta na ahile 2 chun 8 by 9 of bracket sama ongi 9 by 16 divide bracket ni sa napahi 15 na hin of 20 by 3 ti hin na hisila hin of ni om kita of hi na bor masak pen ki ti ni ta that means 15 to hisi multiply na bor that means 3 5 is 15 line on beat na bor na hile 8 2 is 16 9 to 9 cancel that means 1 by 2 1 by 2 divide 5 into 2200 na this is equal to baham divide to multiply here 100 by 1 to 1 by 100 so that means 1 by 200 option number B chicho hin na simplification in the part let aha apo in ahin la ichi theidu kha chu exam phat le ilum thimi stress ahin na is it chun abai wanga hin na khut phat le mistake plus ham minus ham na khut khila hele you will get a completely different answer from different answer that is also a wrong answer hichbang chu option a anjaw ki ti a hele chu na boi ta 1 by 100 bang na mutai na bor hil ji na 1 by 100 um kit ngang chu sina tik na hele chu negative mang na chi jel jing chu time yang waste na bor negative mark na mu kit na lai it is a completely wasted of your effort na hisi achun ichi thei de kha chu pi ham tele a simple te po ite this is what master is very simple class 8 9 class 8 7 8 level chu na a hin la ichi thei de kha chu practice ibor lawa hile chu ibor hil nu me ti hi je chun hichi a formula he tong ima cha angai po in plus minus ho he la hi ji ayin la practice inga halim na a simple ti loading practice anga je practice e ha bor la hel ki gang hin chikit la accurate ta ki bor ki the hi ti chu ising on min tin adam jong ilif of the min tin he chu so na practice den la aje chu abona solve bor bol hen a platform limited hi je chun bona bor zo ro ti je chun hi sang chun question dang topic dang appoint mo dang ho in take up kiting ma hin tuni chana ding chun chan chu ana pat so tin jing kit le izom kitim tai ki chu kan sing me